for Fiji Ports Corporation to have access for development assistance from the Australian government. The first step is for the Prime Minister and Minister Conroy to sign the Memorandum of Understanding. Through this Memorandum of Understanding, then it allowed Fiji Ports Corporation Limited to have access to $495,000 Australian to allow the ports to carry out a feasibility study. That there are two prongs. First is the development of the port facilities in Lautoka, and second is to look at the opportunities to build have shipbuilding and ship repairs in Lautoka. I think this is a commitment made by the Prime Minister for Fiji to be the hub in the Pacific. So we have to look at the port development in totality. It's not only about cargoes, receiving cargoes, it's about other support services like shipbuilding and ship repairs, and also looking at national security, regional security. The Honourable Prime Minister is very keen on the Pacific to be a region of peace. To do that, an important component is the necessary infrastructure like ports. The development of ports in Fiji will not only help Fiji in terms of employment and trade, but also provide employment opportunities and the skills necessary in supporting the other services like ship repairs and shipbuilding. We presented the Minister the status of port facilities and how these assistance provided by the Australian government will help develop our port. He was very appreciative to look at the current status of the port and recognizes that the need for Fiji to improve its infrastructure. He was very supportive, and he said that more assistance will be coming to Fiji to ensure that Fiji becomes a real hub in the Pacific. As the Honourable Prime Minister mentioned, the improved Mata-Wuwale relationship, I think this just shows and strengthened the partnership between the two countries.